This is the way you start doing your work. First you will make the title page of voices. Then again next page you will give the heading, proper heading of voices. And we have done voices are of two kinds, active, passive. You will give the side heading of formula, then top heading of active voice. What the active voice formula? As I told you, subject plus helping verb, then verb different form we will use, and our object will come. In passive voice, object will come at the beginning instead of subject, then helping verb to show the time, the tense. Then I told you that always we'll use third form of verb, then preposition by, and at the last instead of subject, as we have done in active, we'll use subject. This is the formula of the two. You have to do it in the same way in your copy. Have a look. Then the example you will write. Active voice, I clean the floor. I is subject, clean is verb, first form, then our object, the floor. Then how to change it? Because it is present indefinite, that's why we'll use present tense helping verb is. Object will come at the beginning, the floor is, then third form of the verb, clean, by, preposition, then subject, I will convert it into me. Now how to change the pronoun? We'll give the heading of change of pronoun, then make the list of subject. I will convert it into me, you will convert it you or your. They will change into them, he will convert it into him, she will convert it into her, and we will convert it into us. No passive. You know that we have 12 tense in all. Out of these 12 tense, 4 are not applicable in passive voice. And what are those 4 tenses? Future continuous cannot be converted into passive voice, only present continuous and past continuous will convert it into passive voice. And all the 3 perfect continuous, present perfect continuous, past perfect continuous, and future perfect continuous will not be converted into passive voice. So must remember that future continuous and all the 3 perfect continuous will not be converted into passive voice. If a sentence is given to you, to convert it, your answer will only be no passive. Just see how to do it. Now, come to the exercise. This is not the exercise. First, we will take the formula of taking individually the different tenses. First, we are doing the indefinite tense. This is present indefinite. So, how you are going to do this? First, you will give the heading in proper way, present indefinite. Then, active voice formula in the same pattern, neat and clean. You will highlight your work so that easily you can understand. As your work will need, easily you can get the point. So what's the active voice formula of present indefinite? First form, in the beginning subject, that is our doer. Then verb first form. In case of present definite, we use first form of verb, and at the last object. There is no helping verb here. Now how can you change it into passive voice? Just see passive voice formula. Passive voice formula is the same in all cases. Only we need to use the different helping verb according to our tense. We know here first form of verb, this is present definite. So we will use the present tense helping verb. What's the passive voice formula? Object, helping verb, third form of verb, preposition by, and at the last subject. So in case of present definite, we will use the helping verb is, am, are. This is all about the present indefinite active voice formula and passive voice formula, and what helping verb we will use in passive voice.